All right, guys. In the first video, I showed you how to do a bar graph in Sheets. In this video, I'm going to show you how to do a line graph. Line graphs are a little more difficult, but the most important thing you need to remember is you're always making a line graph whenever time is involved. So timeline. And time could be weeks, months, years, centuries. Whenever there's time involved, it's always a line graph. Changes in time are line, timeline. Okay, I have a table that I made, and it's experiment plant growth using different liquids. So, type of liquid: water, soda, juice, sports drink, and then their height in centimeters over 6 weeks. So, if you think about this, there's going to be a line for water, a line for soda, a line for juice, and a line for sports drinks. Okay, one thing with line graphs is bar graphs are easy. You just highlight the whole table, and it usually did it correctly. With line graphs, I would not highlight the title because it ends up messing things up. So I will show you that in a second. Let's do it correctly first, and then I'll show you guys some mistakes. Highlighting the title here, the water, soda, juice. So I should have 4 lines. Again, I'm going to insert, chart, and it makes a bar graph. We don't want a bar graph. Time line. So you need to go right here, chart type, and make a line graph. This looks much better. However, we need to make labels here. Type of liquid is not correct. So we have some things we need to kind of work on here. So we need to go to customize, chart and title. First off, chart title. This needs to be plant growth using different liquids. Okay, that's better. Let's see here. Let's do horizontal axis. That should be not let's see here. That should not be type of liquid. That should be time period in weeks would work. See how it changes over here? Okay, vertical axis should be height in centimeters. There we go. Okay, let's double check all this. We have weeks, time period in weeks, good. Height in centimeters. We show a legend. These are soda, sports drink, plant using different liquids, colors there. Again, you can customize and go through. There's lots of different options to change here. Now let me go back. This is a good one. But I'm going to go back and do it kind of weird, and I'm going to show you guys what can happen if you do the whole thing. So I'm going to delete this. We are going to highlight everything. We got the plant title, everything. Your insert, chart. Whoa, that looks a bar graph. We need to make a line graph. Go to line. However, you notice how, thinking about it, the height should go up. You're looking at it, starts at 0, it goes to the height. This is all messed up. So something is wrong here. So if it goes like this, I would start over and not highlight the title. But you can also do something really easy. You can switch rows and columns, and that looks better, much better. However, titles aren't here when you need to change that. You change the titles for the vertical and horizontal axis in the title. But if you have something that looks weird, you can always switch rows and columns. But easiest is what I did first. All right, that is a quick primer on how to do line graphs.